Hello everyone, and welcome to this webinar, where today's topic will be about cap markings. The goal of today's session is to cover the important things we recommend you to consider before choosing a specific type of marking. Don't underestimate the value of a carefully planned cap marking to optimize the end user experience. So the benefits of each marking solution will be highlighted during this webinar. We use different cap marking technologies depending on the needed properties of the marking. All technologies we use have distinctive benefits, but also limitations. And this decision phase is therefore critical to ensure the best possible marking matching the need of the product. Thank you very much for watching this webinar. I hope you have enjoyed it and we have inspired you to use cap markings on your future products.